Hello and welcome back to another exciting video guys. In this video, I am going to show you how can you create a full stack billing app using Supabase and Google AI Studio. This app is amazing because it stores all the customers and transaction information into Supabase backend, okay? And also it can offer the redemption points for engaged shoppers who shop over 5000 rupees so that they can be engaged more, okay? I have set it to 5% for now. You can set it however percentage you like, okay? And also I have created a built-in WhatsApp verification system so that it looks fully professional while you offering these redemption codes. So it will be fully functional and fully professional web app. So if you want to learn how can you create this kind of amazing web app and sell it for thousands of dollars for store owners around you, then make sure to watch this complete tutorial till the end. Let's get started. So in order to create this full stack app, we will need a prompt first. So I have created a well optimized prompt already. Okay, I will put it into description so that you can copy and paste. So this prompt says that build a professional SaaS billing and loyalty dashboard app using Supabase and WhatsApp based verification. Okay, I have mentioned the conditions that any customer who spends over 5000 rupees in a month will get a 5% flat loyalty discount or loyalty reward points to redeem. Okay, we will use the WhatsApp verification OTP to redeem their loyalty points. Okay, so let me copy this prompt and let's go to Google Gemini where we will paste this prompt and write a simple command that give me a detailed prompt out of it. Okay, after that just need to paste the prompt we already copied and it will run for a few minutes and give us the detailed prompt we need to create this amazing full stack application. Okay, so let's wait for it until it's running. So we will be using Supabase to store all our database entries. Okay, so it will be a full stack app using React as a front end and Supabase as a backend. Okay, so it gave us the prompt. So let me simply copy this prompt and paste it into Google AI Studio. Let's paste our prompt over here. After that, make sure to select the model to Gemini 3 Pro preview and the programming language to React and click on the build button and it will start running our prompt and creating this amazing full stack web application. Okay, so let's wait for it until it's running. So the name of the store will be Verma Electronics. I am creating this for electronic store which will sell the electronic items and services. So let's wait for it. I'm going to skip this part until it's running. Great, so we have got the first prototype, but it's showing an error that we will need to put the Supabase URL to in order to connect our database. So let's go to Supabase and let's click on start your project so that we can create a project and put that URL into Google AI Studio in order to connect our database. Okay, so let's put a project name over here. You can put anything relevant. I am going to put POS shop. After that, click on the create this project and great guys, the project has been created under Supabase. So in order to connect this, click on the connect button and switch to API keys tab, and here you will find your project URL and publishable key. We will need to put those two details in order to connect the Supabase project. Okay, I'm going to put these details and hit enter, and after that it will start running and start connecting our app to our Supabase database. Okay, so let it run for a few minutes. I'm going to skip this part. The first prototype is ready and it's showing some SQL queries to run into our database so that it can create the tables for us, because Google AI Studio can't directly log in into our Supabase account. Okay, so I'm going to show you how can you create these tables for us. Let's go to SQL editors and paste these SQL queries one by one so that we can create our database table. Okay, so this is the first SQL query. Let me run this query and the success message has been returned. It means the table has been created. Let's create the transaction table now. Okay, let's copy this SQL query now and let's go to the Supabase SQL editor again, paste this and run. Great. So you need to follow this for as many queries you have. Okay, after that our app is ready to test. Let's log in into our app. It's using the demo 1234 password for now. Okay, it's showing the Verma Electronics on top and all the products over here so that we can add into our billing. Okay, we can also create the custom products, no issue. Okay, So let's create the first bill. I am going to add some items over here. As soon as it crossed the 5,000 rupees, it started showing our redemption point. Okay. So it's great. It's fully functional now. Let's click on select our customer, and it is asking us to put a mobile number at the top left. So let's put the mobile number over here and click on the go button. And of course we are a new customer, so we are going to put the customer name over here. Let me put my name over here and test the app. Click on register customer, and great, the customer has been created. Let's click on the process bill option now so that we can start billing. Okay, it's showing 280 redemption points for now. So let's click on process bill, and after that let's click on verify via WhatsApp at the left side. Okay, it will open a pop-up so that we can redeem our point. Okay, great guys. So click on the send code to WhatsApp, and it will open your WhatsApp. As an employee, any employee can connect their WhatsApp and send this message or code to the customer and ask them for the verification code, and put that code over here and verify their redemption point. So it will be fully authenticated that the redemption points are using for the correct customers. Okay, after that we can simply accept the payments, whether it's manual or online. Okay, and after that click on the new sale, and the new customer option should be open, the new billing option should be open, but I am getting error in my case. So let's go to Google AI Studio and let's get it fixed. Okay, so I am going to Google AI Studio and letting it know that when I click on the new sale option, it's not opening the bill for the new customer. Okay, as it was showing me the old customer details. Okay, so you can get fixed anything using this technique. You just need to simply tell the Google AI Studio what do you want to get enhanced, or what new features you want to get added to your app or website, and it will do it for you instantly. So let's delete our record first. Let's delete our old record first so that we can test our new app, modified app now. Okay, so I am going to click on the trash icon over here, and let's delete the existing customers as us. Okay, and after that let's add a few products, and let's create a new bill. Okay, click on the select customer option, select customer button. As you can see, everything is working perfectly so far. Okay, let's put our mobile number over here, and let's add ourselves as a new customer now, because we have already deleted our past record. Okay, so let's register and put our name over here, and this time the app should work completely fine. Okay, great. So we can see our process bill option over here. Let's click on process bill, and it will show the redemption point to us. Okay, let's click on redeem wallet points. Okay, after that it will show us the verify option, and let's click on send code via WhatsApp, and it will open our WhatsApp to send the code to customer. Okay, we can simply log in and send this code to customer. For now I am just simply going to copy this code and paste it into our redemption window. Okay, because I am not going to log in. As you can see, you can simply log in using your web version or your mobile version. It will work completely fine. So let me paste the code over here and click on verify identity, and we will be able to redeem our points. Okay, so you can see the price has been reduced. Okay, as you can see here, it's working completely fine. Let's click on new download button I just added, and let me show you the bill. We can send this bill to any customer using WhatsApp or any other method we want. Okay, we can print this bill as well. This is the bill. Great guys, so it's looking amazing overall. Let's click on start new sale, and let me see if we can now create the bill for a new customer. Great, so the option is working completely fine. We can easily create the bill for any new customer or any existing customers we have. So let me create the bill for existing customer, and I have pasted my mobile number, and it's working completely fine. We can create a new bill for us. Great guys, so everything is working seamlessly now. Okay, we can process this bill as well, and everything is showing at the left side, all the records we have, the monthly visits and the redemption points or any past activity or sales. So everything is working completely fine. We can even manually add any kind of custom products as well. We can put the quantity, we can put the price, and we can add it to bill. Okay, and everything is working completely with the database. You can see the tables over here in our Supabase account, and the tables are for customers and transactions. We can see all the details we have saved so far. So this is not just a front end or hard coded app, it's a fully working full stack app using React plus Supabase. Okay. So I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to comment on this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can start their no code journey or using AI and start selling this kind of amazing app for thousands of dollars. Okay. If you guys would like to know that how can you integrate Stripe or any kind of another online payment method to this app, then make sure to comment below this video. I will make a video on that topic as well. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.